Hello, this is Shemeka Adams from the Loranger branch. Thank you for joining me for Tangi Tales Craft Time. We're going to put together our cozy bear craft that goes with our Tangi Tales story, Happy Birthday Eeyore. Come down to the Loranger branch, grab your cozy bear craft kit, which has the instructions and all the pieces that you'll need. You'll also need to have some additional supplies, scissors, and a glue stick. And then come back with your craft kit and join me right here while we put together our cozy bear craft. Okay, Tangi Tale crafters, you've got your kits, you've got your scissors, your glue, and you'll need markers or crayons to color your bear. You've got all your things, so now let's put our bear together. The first thing we're supposed to do is cut out the bear's hands and his face. So we did that. I did that already. I cut out his hands. I'm going to put those to the side to use later. And then you're going to color the bear's head, color his ears and his nose and his mouth. So once you get those cut out and colored, the next thing you're going to do is find your rectangle, because that's going to be your bear's blanket. And so you're just going to take your time in any order you want to, because it's your bear and it's his quilt, and it can look any way you like. So I'm going to just put a generous amount of glue on the blanket, and I'm going to just start putting my pieces on. I'm not going to worry too much if they're overlapping, particularly on the sides, because I can trim that later, and I'll show you in a minute. So I'm just going to keep applying generous amounts of the glue, because I don't want my squares to come off. And my squares are kind of like a quilt. Have you guys ever seen a quilt before? Well, quilts are blankets that are made with different colored patches. And some of the patches are really beautifully designed. And some of the patches are just really pretty colors, like ours. So that's what I was doing with this craft, making a blanket that kind of looks like a quilt for our bear, because blankets are really cozy and warm, and they just make us feel good. So once you've got your squares glued to your blanket, like so, you can turn it over like this and trim off anything extra on the side. Now after you've done that, you're going to see just how you want your bear and where you want him to go. This looks pretty good to me. So now I'm going to glue my bear's head to my dark cardstock paper, which is basically the bed we're going to lay our bear on today. And so we put the head right there, like so. And I'm going to just flip over his little blanket and cover it with a very generous amount of glue, because I want it to stay. There we go. I bet you guys are doing great. Can't wait to see what your bears look like. And last but not least, You are going to put your bear's paws on top of the cover because you get all tucked in. So flip over the paw and our glue. You guys should come check out one of those Winnie the Pooh books, because January 18th is National Winnie the Pooh Day, and it doesn't have to be Winnie the Pooh. We got a lot of really cute bear books that you can read or have read to you while you're getting tucked into bed, like our cozy bear. And there you have it. Putting the top back on my glue because it's the right thing to do. Put my scissors over there. And we have a cozy bear. Thank you for joining me for our Tangi Tales Craft Time. Please stop by the Loranger branch, pick up your cozy bear craft, and have a happy new year. Bye.